You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, this phrase. This is a slang term, an internet meme and gesture. If you want to learn more slang, stay tuned. I've got fantastic videos you'll want to learn from. Pronounced as 6-7. How to say 6-7. Stress on that first syllable. 6-7. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.